Hi everyone, we are delighted to announce our two-day workshop on Managerial Leadership Excellence to be held on 28th and 29th of November 2025 at Unique Regency Hotel, Banani, Dhaka. Seats are filling up fast. Half of the seats have already been booked by top corporates across the country. If you want to join the program, this is the right time to secure the place. One of the key topics we are going to cover is situational leadership, the most talked about leadership models around the world. So, what makes situational leadership so powerful, so relevant today? It starts with correctly diagnosing your team members based on their competence and commitment level, placing them into 4 development levels: D1, D2, D3, and D4. In this workshop, we will assess your leadership styles, what kind of leader you are, and help you to understand how to adapt, align, and help your learning partners so that they can grow and ensure their performance to take your organization to the next level. And if you want to explore this transformational journey, join us. Thank you.